guys, so it's night time, so we're going to open these gifts 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one is for our ate Tuna, and this gift is for all of us, so we're just unboxing out of it. Yeah, so first one is this to Anonymous from Anonymous. Anonymous talaga. Wala po siyang walang pangalan or sinulat.
So, ito po, wala po siyang pangalan.
Ayan. I-open ko muna. Tingnan natin. Ayan.
Oh my God.
One, two, three. Sabi na eh. Sabi na eh, ramen.
Dalawa po siya.
Ito is yung may cheese siya and then ito yung spicy siya.
Good for this night.
Yeah.
And then, ito.
Ito, yan.
Wala po siyang pangalan ulit.
Pwede? Oh.
Ramen na
Ang
naman.
toy. Ay, pero ito yung mas maanghang kaysa dun sa isang blue. Because, as you can see, red siya. Yan. And for the last one, we need our special ate tuna here. Dedicated to tuna and from Ate Malu. Yeah.
Yeah.
Here.
Okay, in the last one, we'll open it. What it's inside this wrapper gift. Yeah. Hindi ko sanay. Yes.
Hana,
Sabi ko.
dul, set, price, so,
This one. And then, different.
Seaweed.
Different brand. Yan.
Ah.
Seaweed sila. But different. This one is green. Oo. This one is Korean barbecue. Brown.
ay may barbecue siya.
Then also, and then, may yellow.
Ano yan? Anong style niya?
Ibang ibang brand niya.
Ay, may cheese.
Oo, may cheese. Ito yung hindi ko natikman. Ay, ito, meron pa. Taran! Ay, meron pa. Isa yan. Oh, tatlong
Sets.
set, oo. Isa.
Ayan.
Thank you!
Merry Christmas from everyone. From Family for Yours.